6:42 this morning, keeping an eye on the Pacific. Those two named storms, Flossie and Eric, both getting closer to the islands, particularly Eric, those outer bands not far away. And Eric's holding on as a hurricane. Things are working against it, and we do anticipate that it's going to still slowly weaken. A 90-mile-per-hour sustained winds right now, Category 1. But so far, it's overachieving a little bit. The good news is the direction it's moving hasn't changed, west-northwest, but you notice it's still well south of the island. So this is not going to make direct landfall on the islands, but it is going to bring impacts. It's close enough. We're absolutely going to see some rain from this system. Notice gradually weakening back to a tropical depression. The worst of the wind is going to stay offshore. Now, I won't rule out some tropical storm force gusts for the Big Island, but the big story is going to be the rain that's coming with this system, enough that there is a flash flood watch for the Big Island, not for the northern islands. The most rain is going to be on the Big Island, but they're going to get some rain as well. Bad time for vacation, and I think it's going to continue to be a bad time for folks who are on vacation in Hawaii as we get into the end of the weekend and next week. Notice the timing here. This is Sunday night, Monday night. Flossie still looking like it's going to come awfully close, and we can't rule out the possibility that it could make a direct landfall on the islands as a tropical storm. That is a possibility, and again, that would be the Sunday night into Monday night time frame. It's looking like it's going to bring some more rain. The question is how much rain. So it'll still be something to watch in the days ahead. Meanwhile, we have a chance of rain as well, but we're not talking about flooding by any means. It's just a 10% chance of seeing a few showers, maybe a weak thunderstorm, but it's going to be tough. Usually when those sea breezes this week, it's hard to even see a thunderstorm pop up. It's usually just a few light showers. Most of us are going to stay dry. Highs are going to reach around 98. Technically a degree cooler than yesterday, but the humidity worse, so I think it's going to feel about a degree worse. 103 for our feels like temperatures this afternoon. Most of the day, partly cloudy, and winds will be seasonable for this time of year, 10 to 15 miles per hour, but not a particularly breezy day. Most of tonight is going to be mostly clear. Some areas of partly cloudy skies late tonight. Lows around 75, pretty close to normal for this time of year. Winds around 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow looks just about identical to today. I'll lower the heat index 1 degree. High temperatures are going to be the same. It's still going to feel like 102. 10% chance of showers. Best chance in the early afternoon. Slightly better chance towards the coast with that very weak sea breeze. For most of us, it's just going to be a partly cloudy day. And doesn't change much for the weekend either. A 10% chance for a few showers. Highs around 98, partly cloudy. Still going 97 on Sunday, a 10% chance of showers. So certainly do not cancel your weekend plans. Yes, there is the possibility of seeing rain, slightly better chance towards the coast, but there are going to be a lot of us that are going to stay dry. And guess what? The consistent weather continues into the beginning of next week. 10% chance of rain Monday, 10% chance of rain Tuesday. So you add up all these very small rain chances over the next week. I do think a lot of us will see some rain, but chances are you'll probably only see rain one day over the next 7 days. Notice by next Wednesday, things get worse. The rain chance goes completely away. Mostly sunny, triple digits, but at least it gets breezy again on your First One 5 AccuWeather forecast. Well, more news right after this break.